Hello everyone, how are you? So welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you about how to ask what's your name in Khmer or in Cambodian language. Okay, so let's start. This is English, okay, and this is Khmer, okay, English word and Khmer word, okay. What? What? What mean away? 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 Gió mean bọc nè, bọc nè, bọc nè. Name ឈ្មោះ 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 ម៉ាយ បọcខ្ញុំ 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 is គឺ or គឺជា what អ្វី your របស់អ្នក name ឈ្មោះ my របស់ខ្ញុំ is គឺ or គឺជា okay so let's ask what's your name what's your name in Khmer you can answer two way or you can ask two way តើអ្នកឈ្មោះអ្វី 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 or តើឈ្មោះរបស់អ្នកគឺជាអ្វី 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 okay but normally we just say តើអ្នកឈ្មោះអ្វី តើអ្នកឈ្មោះអ្វី that's okay my name is Seth my name is Seth in Khmer ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Seth ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Seth ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Seth or you can say ឈ្មោះរបស់ខ្ញុំគឺ Seth ឈ្មោះរបស់ខ្ញុំគឺ Seth ឈ្មោះរបស់ខ្ញុំគឺ Seth okay but normally generally we can say ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Seth my name is Seth ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Seth okay what's your name តើអ្នកឈ្មោះអ្វី generally we say តើអ្នកឈ្មោះអ្វី what's your name my name is Seth generally we say ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Seth ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Seth okay what's your name តើអ្នកឈ្មោះអ្វីតើអ្នកឈ្មោះអ្វីតើអ្នកឈ្មោះអ្វី my name's John my name's John ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ John ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ John okay so let's practice by yourself okay I hope you understand and I hope you can ask what's your name in Khmer okay so thank you very much for your watching okay thank you goodbye ជម្រាបលា goodbye